Come on.
Okay, here we go. New cooking lesson.
Now watch, Grandpa. Take the egg and you want to crack it right here, like this. See? And then you open it up. It goes right in there, okay? You do that one. Here, let me hold this. Open it up. That's it. Perfect. Can you do another? Don't lick that. Can you do another one?
And make Grandma one too.
Ooh, over the bowl. That's okay. Don't let the shell go. Here, give me the shell. No, don't lick it. Don't lick it. No, don't lick it. Here. Here. And there's a towel right there. Wipe your hands off. Okay, do another one. Crack it. Hold on, hold on. Okay, that's 4. Don't wipe your hands in your mouth. Here, use this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And there's a towel right there. One more. One more. Here, just set this here. Okay, one more. One more.
One more?
One more. Okay, good job. That's it. Okay, there's a washcloth, there's a towel.
No, it's yours. Now I want your hand.
Thank you. Now,
Now,
we need to bust these eggs up.
the details are done. No.
Yeah.
Now put my hand. I can do
Here's what
it.
you need to do. You need to pop those yellow things.
Okay.
Okay? Okay? Now you take this and go like this.
Look at me, look at me. Look at think I'm picking myself. Look.
Oh, your shirt. Yes.
Okay, I'm letting you go.
Do you like your shirt?
Yeah.
Who gave you that? Did Grandpa make that shirt for you?
Yeah. No.
Oh, yeah, that's a cowgirl from Tombstone. Here, now shake a little of this in there.
I like it.
How do you know?
Yeah. And I like it. I can eat